So, I just stumbled across this idea about AI accomplishing more than just tasks. It's making some real creative leaps.
Oh, wow. Like what? I've seen some art and music generated by AI, but I'm curious how deep that goes.
Exactly. Some AI systems are creating original compositions and even writing poetry. That's a wild development, right?
Wait, so we're talking about machines generating art that can evoke emotions? That changes everything.
Right? It's like, are we going to start thinking of AI as artists? What does that mean for human creativity?
That's really interesting because it raises the question of authenticity. Can an AI-created piece ever be truly genuine?
Exactly. I mean, think about it. If an AI creates something that moves you, does it matter who or what created it?
So it's less about the creator and more about the experience. That's a fascinating perspective.
Yeah. And it gets even crazier when you consider AI's potential in storytelling. Have you heard about that?
I'm all ears. Are AIs writing novels now or something?
Sort of. They're assisting authors in generating plot ideas or even whole chapters, like a brainstorming buddy.
Wow. So it's like having a collaborator that never sleeps. But can it really capture the human experience?
That's the million-dollar question. It can simulate human experiences, but can it truly understand them?
I guess it's a bit like having a friend who claims to know your feelings, but hasn't really felt them.
Whoa, that's a great analogy. So it can mirror emotions, but not authentically experience them itself.
Right? And this brings us back to a key question. Does that make its creations less valuable?
Exactly. Some might argue that value lies in the emotional connection. If it resonates, does it matter where it came from?
So true. And then we stumble upon copyright issues. Who owns something created by AI?
Hold on. That's complicated. Is it the programmer, the user, or does it even need ownership?
It's a legal minefield. What if one AI learns from another? Where does that leave originality?
That's mind-blowing. It's like a creative echo chamber. Are we headed for a creative revolution?
And think about the generational impact. What will future artists think of AI-made art?
Wow. Imagine a world where AI is a common collaborator. It's already happening.
Exactly. And if art becomes more accessible through AI, will we see a new wave of creators?
Totally. Lesser-known artists gaining visibility through AI assistance. That's empowering.
But at the same time, will traditional artists feel threatened or inspired?
An intriguing mix. It's like driving forces against each other, competition or collaboration.
And this brings us back to education. How do you teach creativity in a world with AI?
Good point. Do we focus on uniquely human skills or integrate AI into our learning?
Both have to coexist. Teach the tech, but emphasize the human touch. That's key.
Absolutely. It's about blending the two, finding that sweet spot between tech and emotion.
And it makes me think, how will our definition of creativity evolve over time?
Right, the lines are blurring. Who defines what art or creativity is anymore?
Wow, so it's like we're all at the forefront of reimagining creativity together.
Totally. And it's exciting and a bit terrifying. Where do we draw the line?
And what implications does that have for society at large? A real game changer.
Exactly. We're potentially shifting societal norms about ownership, creativity, and even originality.
As we push boundaries, we need to find a balance between technology and our humanity.
So true. At the end of the day, can AI enhance our experiences without replacing the essence of being human?
That's the heart of it. How do we ensure technology serves us, not the other way around?
Great question. Something to ponder as we navigate this fascinating journey together.
Absolutely. It's like we're embarking on this adventure, and every step reveals new possibilities.
And who knows what lies ahead? Each conversation could redefine our understanding of creativity.
Exciting and a bit intimidating, right? We're definitely not living in boring times.
For sure. Let's keep exploring these insights. Can't wait to see how it unfolds.
Same here. Each discovery feels like we're unwrapping a gift. What's next on our exploration list?
Maybe diving deeper into how AI symbiosis with human consciousness affects our daily lives.
That sounds like an exhilarating topic. Let's take it on next time. I'm already buzzing.